Today we're checking out the Shorty Headers in chrome for the 1979 to 93 5.0 Mustangs. If your stock manifolds are rusty, leaking, or just holding the car back, this setup is aimed at freeing up a little bit more power and giving your V8 a cleaner path to push out exhaust, so they're definitely worth checking out. These are going to replace the restrictive factory manifolds with a stainless steel chrome header that uses 4-into-1 design to help the engine breathe better, giving you a more free-flowing exhaust. You can expect a bump in horsepower and torque, along with a crisper exhaust note when compared to that restrictive factory setup. The great bonus here is just how clean these look. If anyone goes to check out your setup, it will definitely shine and let them know that you put some work into your Mustang. These tubes are formed with mandrel bends and routed perfectly to help smooth out the airflow, and it's a direct fit for the 79 to 93 Mustang, so it's going to line up with the heads and the mid-pipe, and you're not doing any guesswork during the install. The kit's going to come with the included metal gaskets and bolts, so you're not chasing hardware either during that install, and it's going to further simplify that process. When it comes to the construction on these, you are getting headers made from high quality stainless steel with CNC machined flanges and mandrel bent primary tubes. The stainless steel material is more resistant to corrosion than just plain steel, which is important when you're hanging down on the road with spray, road salt, and extra heat. These CNC cut flanges help the header sit flat on the head and resist warping over time. Plus, the welded collector is designed to handle heat cycles without cracking. Altogether, it's a solid stainless steel piece built to last longer than just some basic mild steel replacements. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $200 price range. For stainless steel Shorty headers with CNC machined flanges and mandrel bends for smooth airflow, this is a very reasonable spend if you're trying to wake up your 5.0 on your Mustang. Now, when it comes to the install, this one's going to get rated a full 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in a day of your time. This is a pretty involved job that takes patience to line everything up right and make sure you don't have any leaks down the road. If you aren't 100% confident in your abilities to get this job done, then go ahead and hire a professional to make sure this gets done properly. Alright, well that's going to wrap up my review of the Shorty Headers in chrome for the 1979 to 93 5.0 Mustangs. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.